Hi children, it's ninth standard number system. Okay, in number system we are going to see about irrational numbers. We are going to see about irrational numbers. Irrational numbers means what is the real in real number set. Real numbers simply denoted as are rational number and irrational number. The both together is called real number. The both together is called real number. In real number set, rational and irrational number are there. We are knowing what is mean by rational number. It is in the format of p by q. P and q are integers. Q not equal to 0. Same contradiction. It is not in the format of p by q. Irrational number we cannot written like p by q format. P and q integer, q not equal to 0 like that. Okay, so what is the number is in irrational numbers means we are knowing that we already learned some values like root 2, root 3, root 7, root 11 like this. These type of numbers are called irrational numbers. We can't write this as a p by q format. Okay, root 4 is a irrational number? No, because root 4 exactly square values are not irrational number, like root 4, root 9, because root 4 value is 2, root 9 value is 3, root 25 value is 5, except those remaining numbers are is there, that and all irrational numbers. Then pi also irrational numbers, and another like this is there, like these type of numbers also irrational number. These numbers we are not even write in the format of p by q. Okay, so it is the irrational number. All the numbers, first topic we are going to see how to write the numbers in the number line. Maybe it is a whole number or natural number or integers, rational, everything how to write in the number line, how to mark in the number line. That is the first topic. Here also we are going to see how to draw the irrational number, okay, on the number line. We are going to see how to draw irrational numbers on the number line. First we are going to see root 2. Okay, root 2 how to draw in the number line. As usual you have to draw the line. Okay, using scale you have to draw one line and give the arrow marks. Take, this is the 0, this point mark, this is the O center, like this is the 0 point. Next I am taking 1. Okay, you are using scale, take one measurement. Okay, so in this same one measurement, it is the one is there, in this one I take same measurement like this, one straight line. Okay, so from this using compass, from this 0 to this, because it is the 1 centimeter I am taking. If I am taking exact 1 centimeter, you can't see properly, that's why. Okay, from keep the point the same measurement, cut an arc. Now this is the point, you have to join these two. It is looking like what triangle? Right angled triangle. Right angled triangle means what theorem we can use? So this is the one you can give. This is the A, this is the AB. Triangle OAB is right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. If it is right angled triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Sum of square of other two side is equal to sum of the square of the hypotenuse. Okay, so the hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of other two side. So largest side is hypotenuse. This is 1. 0 to 1 means this is 1 centimeter. The same measurement I cut the arc. This also 1 centimeter. So this hypotenuse OB is equal to, OB square is equal to OA square plus OAB square. OA is how much? 1 centimeter. AB also 1 centimeter. 1 squared is 1, 1 squared is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is, I need only OP means this square come like a square root. So this hypotenuse value is root 2. This hypotenuse value is root 2. So this measurement is root 2. But I want to locate root 2 on the number line. So what you have to do means O as the center. O as the center. B, then OB you have take as a measurement. What is, because it is only root 2 value, no, root 2 measurement you take as a root 2, and from here you just cut one arc. From here you just cut one arc like this. Okay. For dark I drawn 2 to 3 times. You don't want to draw like that. Okay. So this is intersecting point is there, you know. This is give us name as C. Now this measurement and this measurement are equal. So this point will be root 2. This C point will be root 2. Understand how to draw root 2 locate on the number line? Because using Pythagoras theorem, this is 1 centimeter means this also 1. Children, you have to take using scale, you take exact 1 centimeter. Okay. So this is 1 means this also 1. Then you draw this line using Pythagoras theorem. This hypotenuse will be root 2. I want to locate root 2 on the number line. So what I will do? Take this measurement, cut one arc. So now if you want, you can check using scale. From here to here and here to here, both are the same distance. So where it is the point means C point is the root 2. Okay. Then how to draw root 3? Next, how to draw root 3? First you have to draw root 2. Okay. Then in this root 2 only again take one such measure, because this distance is root 2. From here you can draw. Okay. First you have root 3 means how to root 2 whole square plus 1 square. Root 2 square is 2 only. 1 square is 1. So 3 it comes. So you have to take first draw root 3 diagram. Okay. How to draw? What is the first step? Draw one line and mark as a pointer 0 or 1. Take 1 centimeter distance. Then for this perpendicular you have to draw one line. This exact measurement. Measure this. Okay. From here you have to cut one arc. So this is the point. So this is O point, this is A point, this is the point B. So join the line. Now this gap 1 centimeter, this gap 1 centimeter. So it comes root 2 centimeter. Okay. So I want to locate here means from O to B. You have to measure O to B and cut one arc and cut one arc like this. So this is give us name C. This point will be root 2. Now I drawn root 2. Okay. So I need root 3 means root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1. Root 2 is there. So you have to, here you have to extend the line. Take 1 centimeter measurement. Cut the arc. Okay. Now this length is root 2. OC is root 2. Then OCB is 1 centimeter. Now join this triangle. So OB. Join this triangle OB. OB hypotenuse square is equal to OC square plus VB square. OC length is root 2 whole square. CB length is 1 square. So root 2 means 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. This is OC square, OB square. I need only OB square, come this side square root. So root 3. Now OB is root 3. I want to locate root 3 on the number line. So from keep here, you just want to just take this measurement and draw one arc. This point as D. So this D point is root 3. This T point is root 3. Understand? First you have to learn root 2. Then draw root 2 plus 1 is root 3. Okay. Next we are going to see how to draw root 5. How to draw root 5 on the number line. This is you have to do two types. Now we are drawn root 3, you know. Again you draw 1 centimeter. Draw root 4. Again you draw again root 5. You can continue the process. Otherwise how to do means 2 square is what? 4. 1 squared is what? 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So you take one measurement 2 centimeter, one measurement 1 centimeter like that. Okay. So keep a scale. Draw a line. Mark a point as 0, that is bow. From here to this is 1. The same measurement. This is 2. So okay, 2 centimeter. Now I am taking this point as A. Okay, from 2 you just draw one line. Take a measurement only 1 centimeter. Because 2 square plus 1 square is 3 square. So from here to 1 you just cut the arc. This is now named as B. This distance is 1 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to from O to B. From O to B you just join it. Now it is a right angled triangle. So hypotenuse squared is equal to OA squared plus AB squared. OA is how much? This is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2 square, this is 1 square. 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5. This is OB square. I need only OB, means this is square root. So this OB value is now root 5. Okay, but I want to locate on the line. So how to locate? What is the step? From O to B, using compass take a measurement and cut one arc like this. Now this point is root 5. You give name as C. Okay, how to draw root 5 is clear, because this is 2 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. So using Pythagoras theorem we find out now C point is root 5. Understand children? Practice few sums like this. Thank you.